welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you watch any of our older episodes, you probably met my cousin. He is the master fishing geek, and if you haven't seen our earlier videos, I will leave a link in the description area below. But today, my cousin's going to try to get some big fish today. It's early in the morning. Maybe you can see right there. Normally, my cousin comes out here even earlier. So what do you think we're going to try to catch today?
From the reports, Spanish mackerel, some bull reds. They're pretty big fish, about 30 to 40 inches, and they'll pull one hell of a fight.
Okay, so if somebody is new to fishing, because probably a lot of people watch my channel, they're not people who go fishing. Like in general, what's the best times to go fish? And in general, what do you think the things that you should know before you go fishing?
Best time is early in the morning and in the evening. That's when they feed, you know. Check the tides, if it's the tides coming in or going out, and then the wind. Wind's a big factor, because today I checked it this morning and it said 4 miles from the north and from the east, and it ventures a little bit more than 4 miles.
Okay, so that is some quick pro tips from my cousin. So we're gonna go out and go fish, and let's see if we can catch some big fish. Hopefully.
We're gonna try.
We're gonna try. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and head out to the pier. Wow, this looks great.
All these are crab traps.
Yeah, so all these lines that you see out here, they are, as my cousin said, these are blue crab traps, and so there's actually chicken tied to these as bait. So here we have, what type of crab is this?
I don't know.
Blue crab. Blue crab, so it's catching some crabs as well. Beautiful.
Usually when the water is like chocolatey, muddy, it's a sign of, you know, a bunch of catfish and not a lot of decent fish. But sharks will come in too, you know what I mean, and redfish. But like all the other game fish, trout, and some other fish, they won't come around this water. They like clear water.
So do the fish, you mentioned earlier, the best times are early in the morning and night. So does that mean the fish prefer colder water versus warm water?
No, it doesn't really matter. Well, all it is they follow the bait. Okay. And usually around this time of the year when we're transitioning to fall, they're around here, but give it a couple more months, they'll be up in the rivers. That's where all the bait's gonna be at, and all your game fish is gonna follow the bait. But right now they're just scattered because this weather pattern. You know, a couple weeks ago we had that tropical storm or Hurricane Gordon, and it just messed up everything.
All right. So right now my cousin is about to cast, and there's definitely a technique to casting.
Yeah. Put this over here, or the spool. Open the spool. Put your index finger right at the tip, and make one long swing at it.
And if you notice the way my cousin casts here, it's different types. You could do a short one or a long one. And correct me if I'm wrong, because it also depends on your pole.
Correct. The length of the pole. Usually the longer the pole, the more distant. And then what size of lure. And
if you notice, my cousin is pulling the pole. Why are you pulling the pole like that?
I got an artificial lure. It's a metal spoon, and trying to mimic bait fish. And usually, if there's something down there that's hungry, it will bite or take a hit on it. But like I said, with this choppy water and the murky water, odds are they're not there, but it doesn't hurt to try.
And that's the beauty of fishing. You never really know.
Correct.
Hopefully we'll get a good catch.
Cast after cast.
Yeah. So that is a shark. Now with sharks, you can't actually keep them. Oh, unless they're a certain size.
36.
Wow.
terrible throw, but it opened. Oh my goodness. We got a bunch of bait.
You already had got some bait right away. Look at that. So he caught more in those few seconds than we were out fishing. Let's get a little bit closer. Check that out.
Somewhere in there.
That is fish. Wow, look at all the fish that he just caught with that one throw right there. That is a lot. Right. So those bait, what can you use them for?
Oh! They're like on the bottom of the food chain, so you know everything eats them. Bigger fish.
Okay, so unfortunately today was not a good day for catching fish. My cousin said even earlier that the water was choppy, it's dirty, it's probably not going to get any fish. But we did get some bait fish and some shrimp. So maybe next time we'll have better luck.
Yeah, maybe the weather might change.
And also my cousin has a kayak, so maybe on the next episode we'll actually be out in the ocean.
Yeah, we might have better luck. I got a good spot where we can go. Maybe sight some view gators too while we're at it.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching. If you are a fishing geek, you had any thoughts about anything that my cousin talked about today, or either our older fishing episodes, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.